these scrubs on you.
Okay.
And you can tell me which one you like the most. Are you sure you can't fit in five? Alright.
Let's do 4.
Okay. I'm not going to tell you which ones they are. I'm just going to use them on you. White, I think. Oh, this one smells great. Can you smell it?
Mm-hmm.
Smell it there.
Lemongrass?
Yeah. middle scrub more vigorous scrub. Can you feel that this one's more scrubby? Which one did you like the most?
I think I like the middle one because the middle one had good scrub, but it felt like it was more smooth.
Yeah.
Like there was more something in
Like
it.
a moisturiser.
Yeah, and it just glided over the skin, but I could still feel the scrub.
It did, yeah.
So it was like a light massage and scrub
Yeah.
type of thing. It was good. And this one's very fine and gritty, which is nice. But I think the second one was nice.
Yeah, this one's all finished. I think it's scrubbed out. Pass me your file.
So,
Got some slight redness where the scrub was.
mm.